Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a modern farm model currently being implemented in various European countries. Specifically, we're taking you on a tour of a fairly advanced chicken farm in Austria. Unlike in some developing countries across Asia, Southeast Asia, India, and Africa, farms here follow a well-structured process, making extensive use of equipment such as machinery, bulldozers, trucks, storage facilities, and loading docks to support large-scale farming operations. Let's dive in and explore how these resources help create an efficient and high-quality farming system. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of modern poultry farming in Europe. European farms use advanced, precise methods to ensure high-quality, sustainable, and ethical chicken farming. Let's explore the full process, from selecting the right breed to preparing for market, with all the important steps along the way. Step 1. Selecting the right breed. Breed choice. European farms choose healthy, fast-growing breeds with good disease resistance. Common choices include broilers for meat and layers for eggs, with each selected for optimal growth and productivity. Source verification. Chicks come from certified hatcheries, ensuring they're healthy and free from diseases, keeping any risks to a minimum. Step 2. Preparing the housing. Advanced coop design. Modern farms use closed, temperature-controlled housing with air filtration to manage temperature, humidity, and air quality. This high-tech setup ensures chickens stay comfortable and safe from outside contaminants. Lighting systems. Lighting is adjusted to support each stage of a chicken's growth, creating a natural balance of activity and rest. Sanitation. Before introducing new flocks, farms are thoroughly sanitized, reducing any chance of lingering disease. Step 3. Nutrition management. Balanced feed. Feed is nutritionally balanced with the right mix of protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals tailored for each growth stage. Automated feeding. Automatic feeders and water systems keep everything clean and prevent waste. Organic and antibiotic-free feed. European farms focus on non-GMO and antibiotic-free feed to meet high food safety and quality standards. Step 4. Environmental management. Temperature control. Temperature is automatically regulated to ensure comfort, from 30 to 32 degrees Celsius for chicks to around 18 to 22 degrees Celsius for fully grown chickens. Humidity. Humidity is kept between 60 to 70% to maintain respiratory health and overall well-being. Ventilation. Continuous airflow helps keep the air fresh, removing ammonia and other gases for a healthier environment. Step 5. Disease prevention. Vaccination. Chickens are vaccinated against common diseases like bird flu, infectious bronchitis, and Newcastle disease as part of a strict schedule. Antibiotic management. Strict guidelines minimize antibiotic use, and if used, withdrawal periods ensure chickens are free from residues before market. Regular health checks. Vets conduct routine health checks to catch any signs of illness early and take quick action. Step 6. Waste management. Collection and treatment. Manure and waste are collected regularly and treated safely to avoid contamination. Recycling. Many farms turn chicken waste into organic fertilizer, promoting sustainable practices that benefit the environment. Step 7. Finishing and market preparation. Final feeding stages. The last growth phase focuses on balanced nutrition, optimizing weight and meat quality. Health inspection. Chickens are inspected before they're ready for market, ensuring they meet health standards. Packaging and transport. Chickens are packaged following strict hygiene practices, with transportation ensuring safety and quality until they reach stores or processing facilities. Step 8. Data monitoring and analysis. Smart farming. Many European farms use IoT technology and data analysis to monitor flock count, growth rates, and overall performance. Continuous improvement. This data helps farmers fine-tune their processes, boosting productivity and reducing costs in the long run. Step 9. Animal welfare. Comfort and welfare. Europe has strict animal welfare standards, ensuring that chickens have a comfortable, stress-free environment and room to move. Reducing stress. Farms use methods like gentle music, controlled lighting, and stable temperatures to keep chickens calm and healthy. With these modern methods, European farms ensure that their chickens are healthy, high quality, and raised responsibly. This process not only improves the end product, but also helps protect the environment and sets a high standard in ethical farming. Thanks for joining us on this journey through modern European poultry farming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into sustainable farming.
What do you think about this issue? Please leave a comment below for everyone to know and discuss. Goodbye and see you again.